Good day everyone. For today's video, we are going to solve some problems about humidifying. In this problem, calculate the heat added when 1.5 cubic meter per second of air at 24 degrees C and 20% RH is humidified to 60% RH at a constant dry temperature. So our given is we have V is equal to 1.5 cubic meter per second. We have the dry bulb temperature of 24 degrees C and we have RH1 of 20% and RH2 is equal to 60%. We are required to solve the heat added, the Q. So to solve this, at 24 degrees C is equal to 20% RH, we have H1 is equal to 36.5 kilojoules per kilogram, and we have V1 is equal to 0.848 cubic meter per kilogram. And for the at 24 degrees Celsius at 16% RH, we have H2 is equal to 56.8 kilojoules per kilogram. So to solve this, we have M is equal to 1.5 cubic meter per second, which is this one, and 0.848 cubic meter per kilogram, which is this one. We can cancel the cubic meter and it's left as kilograms per second. So our M is equal to 1.769 kilogram per second, and our Q is equal to M, which is 1.769 kilogram per second minus 56.8, multiplied by 56.8 minus 36.5 kilojoules per kilogram. So cancel the kilogram, it's left us with kilojoules per second or kilowatts. So our Q is simply 35.91 kilowatts, and this is our heat added. On to our next problem, in humidifying, determine the amount of water added to 0.7 cubic meter per second of air at 28 degrees C and 10% RH to reach a final state of 50% RH. So we have this given. V is equal to 0.7 cubic meter per second. Dry bulb temperature is equal to 28 degrees C. RH, or relative humidity, is equal to 10%, and RH2 is equal to 50%. We are asked to solve the MW, or the amount of water added. So to solve this, at 28 degrees C and 10% RH, we have W1 is equal to 0.0024 kg of vapor over kilogram of air. Next, we have V1 is equal to 0.855 cubic meter per kilogram. Next is at 28 degrees C and 50% RH, we have W2, or humidity ratio 2, is equal to 0.0118 kilogram vapor over kilogram dry air. Next, we can also solve the mass. So M is equal to 0.7 cubic meter per second over 0.855 cubic meter per kilogram. So cancel cubic meter again, so we have left kilograms per second. So M is equal to 0.819 kilogram per second. So we can now solve the mass flow rate of the water. So MW is equal to M multiplied by W2 minus W1. So M is equal to 0.819 kilogram of air per second multiplied by 0.0118 minus 0.0024 kilogram of vapor over kilogram of dry air. So cancel to the kilogram of dry air, we have left kilogram of vapor per second. So our MW is equal to 0.007 kilogram vapor per second. And this is how to solve this problem.